In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Sam's Club. To get started, head over to the official Sam's Club website and open the membership page. Once you're there, look for the join option and select it to begin the sign up process. This is where you'll be able to review the available membership options and move forward with creating your account. Next, choose the membership plan that fits your needs best. Sam's Club typically offers a standard club membership and a plus membership. The club membership includes core benefits like member-only pricing, fuel savings, and access to features such as Scan and Go. The Plus membership includes everything in the standard plan, along with added perks like rewards on qualifying purchases, free shipping on eligible orders, and extra pharmacy and optical savings. Take a moment here to compare the benefits so you can pick the option that matches how you plan to shop. After selecting a plan, you'll be asked to enter your personal information. This usually includes your first and last name, your email address, a password you create for your account, and other contact details. Make sure the information is accurate since it will be tied to your membership and used for account access and communication. When creating your password, choose something secure that you'll be able to remember. At this stage, you may also have the option to add a complimentary household member. This step is optional, but it can be useful if another adult in your household will also be using the membership. That person must be at least 18 years old, and they'll receive their own membership number and be able to create their own online account. Once that's done, continue to the payment section, enter your payment details, and complete the purchase. Your membership becomes active as soon as the payment is successfully processed, so double check everything before submitting to avoid any delays. After payment, you may be prompted to verify your account. If so, open your email inbox and click the confirmation link that was sent to you. This helps confirm your email address and finalizes access to your online account. Finally, access your new membership. You can download the Sam's Club app and start using your digital membership card right away, which is convenient for shopping and account management. If you prefer a physical card, you can also visit a Sam's Club location with a valid government-issued ID and request one where available. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your Sam's Club membership